So the visa bulletin for September 2023 is out, and if you're a green card holder planning to bring your spouse from overseas, you're looking at 7 years wait based on this bulletin. We'll talk about this and other changes in this upcoming visa bulletin video. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Immigration Channel. This is where we explain complex immigration matters in short, simple videos. We make immigration easy. This video, like we do in every single month, in this video we'll explain, just like we do every single month, the visa bulletin. This month it's September 2023, the changes, the advancement, any retrogression, everything else that you need to know if you're waiting for a visa inside the United States or trying to get it from outside of the United States. In this month, we've seen some retrogressions, specifically for F2A, green card holders trying to immigrate their spouses. The wait time is going to be really long, about 7 years. Not too much movement from what happened in the August visa bulletin, but we still need to discuss it as we are coming close to the end of the fiscal year, which is going to be in October. But before we do that, as always, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matter, all you have to do is send me a text, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. Let's talk about the visa bulletin September 2023. First of all, if you're inside the United States, you have to understand that USCIS, the U.S. Immigration Service, they have their own version of the visa bulletin that they follow, and they announce every month what chart will be applicable for applicants currently inside the United States applying for adjustment of status. If you're inside the United States applying for adjustment of status in the employment-based categories, then the chart for you to follow from inside the United States is the final action dates. If your date is current, you'll be able to adjust your status inside the United States. If it's a family-based petition like an F1, F2A, F3, you have to follow the dates of filing chart. Again, if you are a green card holder and you're applying for a spouse, you're going to be considered to be F2A category. If you're currently inside the United States, this category, for the first time in many years, is no longer current. You can't file for your green card. You can't file for your spouse for a green card at the moment. You have to wait for the priority date to become current, and for the moment it's set to September 1st, 2023. What that means is that if you are a green card holder inside the United States and you're going to be filing these applications after September, for example, October, November, if those dates are not going to change, you're not going to be able to do it immediately. You're going to have to file. You're going to have to wait for the priority date to become current, depending on when you're going to be filing it. Now, it's worse if you're a green card holder spouse and you're overseas. If you're a green card holder, you're trying to bring your spouse from overseas, the cutoff date right now is January 1st, 2018. And you can see it's over 5 years, close to actually 7 years wait to bring a spouse of a green card holder. So that's where we're hoping that the fiscal year, October, is going to start, and we're going to see maybe some better movement in those categories, because waiting for even 5 years to reunite with your spouse is really tough. This is kind of where we stand right now, but it's really important if you're, like I said, a green card holder and you're currently inside the United States, you can still file for the adjustment of status, but the case is not going to be approved until 5 years from now, when the dates are going to become current. But again, you can still file. So again, if you're a green card holder, you can do that, and you're inside the United States, you better do that now before the retrogression starts again in September. Now, as we do every single month, we will go through the charts, and we're going to go over the charts and provide the analysis. So as we do every single month, let's go straight into the charts and analyze them. We always do final action dates chart. So this time we're going to start with the family petitions. Moving to F1 category, rest of the world is now at September 1st, 2017. China is also September 1st, 2017. India is September 1st, 2017. Mexico remains the same like August, September 1st, 2005. And the Philippines is at April 22nd, 2015. F1 category, as you can see, not much movement from the August visa bulletin. Moving to the F2A category, first time in many years we have to see, moving to the F2A category, first time in many years we see a retrogression in the rest of the world. Now it's going to move to September 1st, 2023. China is at September 1st, 2023 as well. India is September 1st, 2023. Mexico, September 1st, 2023, and the Philippines, September 1st, 2023. Again, these categories were current for the past several years, and now it's the first time in the Visa Bulletin of September that they're not going to be current, which means that if you are going to be filing your cases after September, you'll be subject to this cutoff date. Rest of the world is January 1st, 2017. China is January 1st, 2017. India, January 1st, 2017. Mexico, August 1st, 2004, and the Philippines is October 1st, 2013. Once again, F2B, not too much movement from the previous month. Three categories. Rest of the world is at March 1st, 2010. Mainland China is at March 1st, 2010. India is also at March 1st, 2010. Mexico remains at June 15, 2001, and the Philippines is November 8, 2003. And finally, F4 category for brothers and sisters. Rest of the world is March 1st, 2008. China is at March 1st, 2008. India is February 22nd, 06. Mexico is April 15, 2001. And the Philippines is April 22nd, 2004. Moving to the employment-based chart, not too much movement from August Visa Bulletin. In the EB2 category, the rest of the world advanced by 3 months from August Visa Bulletin. And in the EB3 category, China advanced by 3 months. The rest of the world remained the same. Let's jump into the chart and look at all the countries and all categories. First preference, EB1. Rest of the world is at August 1st, 2023. China is at February 1st, 2022. India is January 1st, 2012. Mexico is August 1st, 2023. And the Philippines, August 1st, 2023. As you remember, previous month, we've seen a huge retrogression for India over 10 years in the EB1 category. We're hoping that after the October Visa Bulletin, the new fiscal year, we'll see some better movement in those categories because it's making it very difficult, specifically people that apply in this category, to be able to wait for the priority dates before they can move on in the process. Moving to the EB2 category, rest of the world is at July 1st, 2022. China is at July 8, 2019. India is January 1st, 2011. Mexico is at July 1st, 2022, and the Philippines is at July 1st, 2022. EB3, the rest of the world is May 1st, 2020. China is September 1st, 2019. India is January 1st, 2009. Mexico is May 1st, 2020, and the Philippines is May 1st, 2020. Fourth preference, the rest of the world is September 1st, 2018. China is at September 1st, 2018. The same for India, September 1st, 2018. Mexico, the same, September 1st, 2018. And the Philippines as well, September 1st, 2018. EB5 is current for the rest of the world. China is at September 8, 2015. India is at April 1st, 2017. Mexico is current, and the Philippines are current. As you can see, not too many changes from the previous Visa Bulletin in August, but definitely worsening for F2A category, specifically those green card holders that are trying to reunite with their spouses. Now the wait time is closer to 6 years plus. And if you're inside the United States, they're no longer going to be able to file for adjustment of status unless the priority date is September 1st, 2023 or before. So this is something to keep in mind. Once again, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. If you need help with your immigration matters, if you get confused about this whole process, send me a text, 619-483-4549. Let's set up your consultation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.